Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set screensaver into photo on Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to display. And display, scroll down and find the screensaver. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the screensaver. In screensaver, show a screensaver after the screen turns off automatically while your phone is charging. And the screensaver is set into none. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set the screensaver into photo. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the photo. And after you tap the photos, okay, you'll have to do is tap the gear icon on the right side of this photo to select the folder of this picture or photo you want to add or to set as a wallpaper. And okay guys, here there are option of folder here. The PixArt, okay, you can select this. You can select the download, image, picture, my picture, or videos folders to set as a wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, I decide to set the camera folder only. And okay guys, so okay, go back and you can preview the photo by clicking the preview button below. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set the screensaver into photo on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.